rise and shine. I'm going to LA. This is the outfit, so I'm wearing my Nike pants, my Nike shirt, and yeah. I'm leaving with me and Joshua, so YOLO. It's a boyfriend and girlfriend thing. You wouldn't understand. I always like to clean my bed when I leave. I don't know, it's just like, I want to come back to a clean room. Is that just me? Yeah, probably. This is the second time we're in line because of this idiot right here. He made me late.
What do you mean this idiot? You're the one that chose it on iTunes.
We're in the airplane right now. He's grumpy as always. Goodbye. This might be our last hand hold. Are you scared?
It looks weird, bro. It feels weird.
Why is it moving backwards?
Because that's what it's called a reverse.
Goodbye, Joshua. I never met you, but maybe one day. This is Sadie's first time riding on an airplane.
No, it's not.
After a traumatic experience.
This is not okay.
You gonna say any last statement?
I'm mad at all the people that did not follow me on TikTok. Made you famous and didn't make me famous. I'm just kidding.
Uncomfortable. We're about to go down, and that is what I hate the most.
We're about to go down. That sounds bad.
What?
It's called we're descending.
We're what?
We're descending.
Okay, we're falling.
We're falling.
Oh my gosh.
We're here. Where are you going?
Oh yeah. Oh, we're in two different rooms. Wait, I'll go into your room first.
No, don't.
Wait. I'll go into your room.
Don't even come.
Don't close the door on me. Can I come in?
Wait, this is your fucking bag.
Sorry. That is so rude. Okay. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. Hi, LA. Oh my gosh. That's me. Oh. Okay, let's go annoy my brother. Room service. Room service.
What do you want?
What do you mean, what do you want? Wait, why do you have a mirror and I don't? Oh!
You probably do, you're just stupid. Leave! I just sat with you for like 2 hours. Leave!
You actually want me to leave?
Yes.
You don't want me to be here?
No.
Back at the so we're back at the hotel, and obviously I got ready. As you can see, what I'm wearing is pretty LA style, I guess. Just some pants that are high-waisted, a green shirt that's giving me Bridgerton vibes, my Dior purse, because my other purses don't match, and I only brought 3, so. And then some heels that are kind of heelish, kind of not. Not sure if you can see me. I thought I would pair it up with these, but it's ugly, so we're not gonna do that. Never tell your brother to go somewhere, because he will go somewhere and never come back, and then you'll be stuck in the hotel room without any money or your phone or a car. I'm tired of the way you treat me. Baby, coffee? We're in the Beverly Hills Mall right now. How do you feel?
It's not special. Like what?
It's so pretty.
So stupid. We have the same stores.
It's not about the stores. It's about what you
I
are.
like to go to the restroom.
Look how
Restroom is beautiful.
how pretty the picture is.
What picture? Yeah, in front of the restroom.
I'm being sarcastic.
How about you stand next to the garbage too?
The bathrooms are kind of fancy. Wait for me here. Don't go anywhere. Okay, so we're at Burberry. Sorry, what are you wearing? Show me. Show me. That's not funny. Let's go. Okay, so we're leaving the mall and we're gonna go get something to eat because we're starving.
You're the most annoying person I've ever met. It's like, dude, it's rooted in your blood. It's like rooted in you. You know what I'm saying? And then on top of that, like you choose the worst time to be annoying. Like it makes no sense. So like you're annoying, but then you choose the worst time. You know what I'm saying? Makes me want to kill myself. It's like I'm chilling in my room, minding my own business on my bed, you know? And then all of a sudden you coming at the worst time. That's how you sound.
So I asked him, what are the worst things that you hate about me? Is it my turn? You're gonna kill the freaking kid!
Well, he was not supposed to be here.
Look at that kid! He's driving in the middle of the street!
He's not supposed to be on this freaking...
And Sonny kept driving!
Well, he's not supposed to be on the street if I run.
So we kill the kid?
And I'm confused on how the Apple map, like in California, has like this 3D stuff, but in Arizona it doesn't.
Cause it's Hollywood, baby! What is this?
What
What do you mean, oh?
Wash your face?
No, what is this?
Oh, it's a face.
Face.
Yeah. Well, bro, you said this, not this. Like.
Okay, now what is that?
That's the clock.
No, what is that?
That's a clock.
No.
A timer?
Time.
Okay.
Ready?
FaceTime.
Ah!
You see what I mean by annoying?
Isn't that funny? It's so windy here. That's it. That's all I wanted to say. It's so windy here. We're crossing the street. I don't think that's interesting, but I guess it can be interesting. We got pizza for dinner. Oh, for lunch. Back at the hotel. Concrete dreams were in the faces. There's nothing you can say. Now we're in New York. We're actually in LA, not New York. If you see me right now getting lost, trying to find the freaking light. There we go, hallelujah. So I got comfy and I got into a comfy shirt because I'm comfy. I'm about to go eat. Well, I am about to go eat. I'm also about to go to get, I can't talk. I'm also about to go eat pictures. I'm not about to go eat pictures. I'm about to go take pictures and eat pizza with the pictures. I'll show you what I mean. I'll show you. Look how big this pizza is. Oh my gosh. And of course my brother already ate some. We also got some wings, but I don't like wings, but I do like pizza. So we're gonna try the pizza. Okay. That is a humongous. Oh. Oh. It's the size of my head. I did forget to take my vlog with me, my camera, but it was such a fun it was such a fun travel that we did. Me and my brother went up to Hollywood at night and it didn't light up. I thought the Hollywood sign lit up. It doesn't, but it was such a fun experience. We took some pictures over there. We got as close as we can. Then we went up to something else and it was actually Olivia Rodrigo's concert right next to it. So that was cool. What else? I'm trying to think. I'll put up some pictures and videos on this vlog for you to see. Right now it's 10 p.m. and I have to be asleep in like 10 minutes because tomorrow's gonna be a long day. So much fun, so much work. Okay, I love you guys. Bye. As you can see, I forgot my vlogging camera again. When do I ever not forget it? So what he's doing is we're getting bikes because we're on the beach. Can you see the beach? I'm gonna show you the outfit because why not? It's a long, cute dress.